Good morning or afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. Here's our week 2 chemistry laws of gas and Hexer 6. Our objectives will be to study the laws of gas and how factors such as volume and pressure affect the laws of gas. And we'll be learning about some of the scientists that discovered these laws. Week 2 discussion point is an observational. Make sure you get after that, it's 10 points. Plus, it's a great way to improve your observational skills. Reading number 1 on chemistry and laws of gas. Okay, this is just about the gases themselves that are on the periodic table. The next lesson gets into the laws of gas. So there's a video, and then there's a few questions on the next page. Okay. Your assignment will be to think of one directly proportional and one inversely proportional relationship. So it doesn't have to tie in even with gas laws or even science. Make sure you watch the video, and then that'll help give you an idea of what those terms mean, directly and inversely proportional relationships. But I gave a few examples. Your assignment will be to write one of each, one directly proportional, one inversely proportional relationship. Here's an example. The more air one has in their bicycle tires, the easier the bike will go down the road. So more and more, that's directly proportional. Okay, more air, less friction, you're going down the road easy. All right, so here's another one. The more you study for a test, the less your chances of failing are. So the more you study for a test, the less your chances of failing are. So you could phrase that another way. The way it's phrased here is inversely proportional. Chances of failing go down with the more you study. You could also say the chances of studying, the act of studying will increase your chances of success. So give me an email message if you're not sure what to do there, if that confuses you. But I did give some examples. I also give one here in the instructions themselves. So have a great week, and see you soon.